A high-ranking Veterans Affairs official stops in Tomah today as two investigations get underway at the medical facility. Interim Undersecretary for Health, Dr. Carolyn Clancy, met with staff members at the health clinic. The VA is being investigated after a report showed opiate prescriptions more than quintupled from 2004 to 2012, while the number of vets being cared for decreased. A 35-year-old former Marine died from an overdose while being cared for at that facility. There were also reports of a retaliatory work environment. The hospital's chief of staff has been put on administrative leave during the investigations. The undersecretary says what makes this issue challenging is the severity of the medical cases the workers at the VA are caring for and the process of finding the right level of treatment through opiates and other alternatives.
We don't have a perfect solution, so I would be nervous about saying this is the right amount. What I do think we need to do is to take more seriously people who are on these medications for periods of time and what other medications they're getting along with opiates to make sure the patients are getting safe care as well as effective care.
The investigators are senior leaders outside of the Tomah VA's region. They'll be speaking with staff members, patients, and whistleblowers about the allegations. The plan is to be as transparent as possible through the investigation and use what they learn across the country.
And that's really the value of being part of a large integrated system. Something happens here in Tomah, other facilities in Wisconsin and around the country can learn from it. And we will be absolutely committed and relentless about making sure that that happens.
The Undersecretary says the Department of Veterans Affairs received several letters from lawmakers asking for an investigation. Representative Ron Kind was one of them. He says now that the investigation is underway, he wants to let the VA officials do their job.
We need the staff now to come forward with candid comments and have an honest conversation with the VA about what is taking place at Tomah.
There is no timeline for the investigations.